Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. This is Wasimullah, graphics and architecture designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will tell you how to use the clone stamp tool. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Photoshop. Now this image I have taken it where there is a spot in image or mark in an image. As you can see, the mark and spot and mole, some kind of mole or mark on the face or near this eyes downside. Now let me use the clone tool. It removes the mark, makes the size of the brush bigger as it is when you press the close bracket key. It makes the size of the brush bigger, and when you open the bracket key, it makes the size of the brush smaller. Now hold the Alt key to select the surface or the skin of the person or character. Alt key, and I am clicking on it. I have hold Alt key, Alt key, and I am clicking with the mouse that particular area where there is no spot. And now while applying the brush on that spot or that mole, remove the don't press the Alt key at this time. Now you can see that I have removed the spot or the mark. Again I will press Alt key. It moves the spot. While holding Alt key, it select the surface where there is no spot. I am selecting that kind of surface there is no spot. And while applying it, I am not holding Alt key. As you can see it, Alt key and then clicking on this object. As you can see the surface on this side, it basically patches an area of the surface of the person or a character or any kind of background. Now the spot from the nose, I will select there is no mark. As you can see, I have patches in an area of the surface. It recover an area where there is spot or more mark or spot. With this, I have completed my tutorial of today. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe to our channel. That is Wasimullah, graphics and architectural designer. Have a good day. Bye.